A telephone company offers a domestic calling plan for $2.95 per month plus 10 cents per minute. Another plan charges $1.95 per month plus 15 cents per minute. For what number of minutes will the two plans cost the same? Let's familiarize ourselves with the situation. First of all, reading through carefully. One thing to note is that the amount per month is given in dollars and the cost per minute is given in cents. We'll want to work all in cents or all in dollars, and since there are decimal points in dollars, we'll go ahead and convert the dollars to cents. So that tells us that the cost for $2.95 is the same thing as 295 cents. And $1.95 is the same thing as 195 cents, and we're going to work in cents instead of in dollars. Well, we want to know how many minutes are used in each plan, so we'll let X represent the number of minutes used in the $2.95 plan. And we'll let Y represent the number of minutes that are used in the $1.95 plan. So let's think about this. How much will it cost for X minutes in the $2.95 plan? Well, using cents, we would have 295 cents plus 10 cents for each minute, and using 195 cents for the other plan, we have 195 cents plus 15 cents for each, well, that's a Y, for each minute. And that would be also in cents. Now, using this information, we can translate. We're told a couple of pieces of information. The cost of the $2.95 plan needs to be the same as the cost of the $1.95 plan, and the minutes used in the $2.95 plan need to be the same as the minutes used in the $1.95 plan. So for the first sentence, the cost of the $2.95 plan we said was $295 plus 10x, and that has to be the same as 195 plus 15y. The minutes used in the $2.95 plan is simply x, and that has to be the same as the minutes used in the $1.95 plan, and that's simply y. So, with that good work done in the first two steps, we can move to the third step, which is to solve this system of equations. Now, the first equation looks a little complicated, but the second one's very simple, x equals y. So we can use substitution. I can substitute x for y in equation 1, and I can solve for x, equation 1 being the first equation. So I'm going to copy the first equation, 295 plus 10x equals 195 plus 15y. And since I know that x equals y, I'll write x where I have a y. 295 plus 10x equals 195 plus 15x. Now I have an equation with just one variable, which I can solve for. I will, first of all, subtract 10x from both sides, and that gives me 295 equals 195 plus 5x. Now I'll subtract 195 from both sides, and that gives me 100 equals 5x. And now I'll divide both sides by 5. That gives me 20 equals x. Now, I also know that x equals y, so if x equals 20, then y must also equal 20. So I'm moving next, step 4, to check. And I'm checking these numbers, x, which is the minutes used in the $2.95 plan, 20. Y, the minutes used in the $1.95 plan, 20. Well, I can see that the minutes are the same. let's check the cost of these. And let's do it in dollars just to be a little bit different and to check our work just a slightly different way. For 20 minutes, the $2.95 plan would be $2.95 plus 10 cents a minute written in dollars is $0.10 times 20, and that would be $4.95. For the $1.95 plan, I have $1.95 plus 15 cents a minute written in dollars times 20 minutes, and that also gives me $4.95. So my solution checks, and I can state that the two plans cost the same for 20 minutes.